Hi everyone! So today I have the BTS OST album unboxing to do. I've never done this type of unboxing before where like the camera is facing the package, so hopefully this turns out well. So this was ordered from Choice Music LA. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. Again, I apologize, this is my first time doing an unboxing like this, so we'll just see how it goes. So I have my box cutter right here, and then we're just gonna unbox this. If this will... I'm always really scared to cut these because I don't know like what really if anything will rip. There. Okay, so comes with the sticker. Alrighty. So I'm just gonna carefully pack this. Way. Okay, so looks like this is a freebie. It's a Jimin photo card. What is this? This is their thank you note. And then another Jimin photo card. It's really pretty. So cute. Okay, so these are the freebies. We'll put that over here. Then unbox the actual album. Clear all of this out. Ready, so this is what the outer box looks like. Okay, so this is the CD right here. Very, very pretty. Okay, and then I think the photo cards are in the bottom of this, so I'm just gonna move it over to the side without looking. I'm just gonna get the photo book out. Okay. So this is the photo book. We're just gonna go ahead and flip through all of this. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is really cute. These photos are so cute. Okay, I'm just gonna flip through these really fast, and then whenever I have time I'll really look at it. This is another story. book. And now, let's see here. Not looking. So this is the, what do you call that? I really forget what you call that, but that's that. So we have the lenticular ticket. Okay, that's really, okay. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Very nice. Okay. So, okay, I'm just going to do one photo ticket first. We have Jimin! Is it Jimin? Yes, it is Jimin. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh my god, you guys totally see Tae over there. But that was a fail. Fail on my part. So we have Tae and Jimin. Oh my god, I'm actually really happy. They are my two favorites. Of course, Jimin is my bias, as you guys know. But yeah, oh my god, I got really lucky with this pull, guys. So happy. Okay. I'm actually kind of confused because this was a pre-order. So I'm wondering what happened to my luggage tag. So I think I'm gonna have to reach out to Choice Music and find out. But anyways, again, this was my unboxing, and sorry again for my card pull failure. I was trying to hide it, but anyways, yeah, so that is all I have for you guys today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!